Mickey 717 Outlaw back here with another video. We are up here at beautiful Beaver Springs. It's a little bit hot out here today. We're going to see how the BUSA and the R6 do. Pretty good turnout. We got a lot of bikes that are showing up. Some guys that have been here in the earlier bit of the season took a little bit of time off and came back. So we're going to see how they do. Mickey went and raced last night in the SBRA 8th mile run. Did pretty good. Unfortunately, he broke out in round 2. So we're both going to go at it today. They're running full quarter this time, so we're not restricted to the 8th mile. We're going to see what the bike can do. Like I said, it's going to be a hot one today, so we're going to see how the turbo does. We got the generator all ready for air movers, help keep these bikes cool, and yeah, we're just going to get after it, guys. Let's go.
Oh my God.
Well guys, unfortunately my night or my day has ended a little early. Went into round 1. Beautiful 60-foot. The first time for the day. The bike decided to wheelie really hard the end of, I believe it was the end of first, if not it was hitting second gear. I think it was actually the top of second because I brought the front wheel down around the 8th, but it did a real hard wheelie on me. I mean, that was the highest wheelie I've tried to ride out. I rode it out a bit, got the wheel to come back down relatively soft, but Will was already out ahead of me. Will over on the ZX10. Unfortunately, Will doesn't look like he'll be making it to round 2 after our pass. His bike made a real loud pop, and unfortunately it's throwing an FI light, and we think that it may have jumped timing possibly, or it's a cam. We think it might be a cam position sensor because that's what the FI code is bringing up, but he's gonna diagnose it later. But we tried helping him tear into it. I wanted to see him at least progress further after he took me out, but Mickey's still in it. He went a personal best this morning, 11.1 at 124, almost 125. He's still in it, so we're gonna keep running. We're gonna be pit crew for Mickey. I was gonna go into testing, but it's really hot out here, guys, so I'm letting the bike kind of take a break. It put in some work. We ran a personal best today, and I mean, what can I say? Shit happens in racing. So we're just gonna keep going, help Mickey get into this. Mickey's down on 11.3 and he held pretty tight to it. So let's go, guys. Let's go see what Mickey can do for the rest of the day. And yeah, let's get back up to the line. God damn it!
The launch was so good. Oh my god. I'm proud of it now.
Guys, we're gonna end off 4th of July weekend running personal best on both bikes. Mickey made it to the quarterfinals. If he would have just looked back, man, he would have made it to the. He actually would have gotten the bye. Whoever won out of that pairing got the bye into the final, or the bye in the semi and then into the final. So he would have got that. But going on about that, Jeff, that ended up technically winning mixed race, went on to win the final against I think it's Chip Dodson in a bar bike. Pretty good race, but yeah, we finished out the weekend running personal best on both bikes. I went round 1, Mickey went into round 3, which ended up being the quarterfinals, but we both can't complain. It's been very, very hot up here. Mickey's really been working with this bike, trying to figure out cornbread. He has ran faster than I've been able to run on the bike, which is awesome. And he honestly made a name for himself. He put in the work this weekend. He did pretty good yesterday, running the SBRA class, and then he came in and went into the quarterfinals with the R6 for the IHRA today, and can't complain. The launches are getting better. He's figuring out where to get the bike to take off from. The BUSA, she's still doing good. 60 foots are holding great. It's just I got to fight the wheelies in 2nd and 3rd gear, which I'm really hoping that by the time this video goes up, I can find pictures from the track photographer if they got any of the wheelie, because I mean, it was high. I had like 4 different people come up after the fact of my pass to say that it was fun and terrifying to watch, and they asked if I shit my pants. So we're gonna leave it at that. Great weekend. Also, depending on when this video comes out, because I have a couple videos that were postponed due to prepping everything. I didn't realize how hard it was going to be to maintain 2 bikes and keep everything running for the season, especially because the R6 needed some upkeep. But anyway, thank you guys for sticking around with me, and we're just going to wrap up a good weekend with personal bests and bikes able to compete pretty well. So, as always, guys, hope you like the video. If you do, give a thumbs up. If you know anything more about the channel, more about the bikes, drop those comments down below, and I'll be sure to get back to you as soon as I can. Also, hit that subscribe button and the little bell for notifications, and I'll see you guys in the next upload. As always, guys, ride safe, ride smart, always wear your helmet. See ya.